So we'll need one piece of brown fondant for the head and a bigger piece for the body. This will be for his mouth, eyes, and this will be for his hair. 4 pieces of medium-sized brown fondant for his legs, and for his hooves also 4 pieces of white fondant. We will need a whole toothpick, 2 toothpicks broken into 2, so 4 pieces, a black edible marker, and our tools. So we'll start off with a big piece of fondant, and I'm going to make the body. I'm slowly forming the neck of the horse. It has to be a bit long. So the back of the piece has to be flat and the tip has to be stretched out a little to form his neck. As you can see, that shape is slowly merging. Now we'll start with the head. So we'll make a circle. From the circle, you roll it out a little and pinch both sides to make the ears. Just a little bit, just the tip. And make sure they're about the same size. I flatten out a piece of fondant from a ball and I'm just wrapping it over the tip for his mouth. Now using a ball tool, I'm inserting 2 circles or 2 holes. Add a little piece of white fondant and flatten it with your ball tool. Repeat on both sides. Add a little bit of water and add the light blue. And flatten it again with your ball tool. Again on the other side, and using your black marker, just draw 2 black circles on his eyes and draw his nose and mouth. There is his face. Now we add half a toothpick and slowly attach the head to the neck. You might need to add another half a toothpick to make it more secure. Now we begin with the legs. I'm making a cylinder and one side I'm flattening it to make it bigger at the bottom and a bit smaller on the top. And using a small piece of white fondant that I'm flattening out with a rolling pin. That will be for his hooves. Just to add that pop of color. Using some water to glue it together and slowly just wrapping the end of the brown piece. And repeat on all 4 legs. Adding half toothpicks. And placing them next to each other. And I'm slowly inserting the horse on his legs. And we're almost done. Now using a cylinder shaped fondant, I'm flattening one side with my knife. And I'm just cutting small lines against the flattened side. That will be for his mane. Adding some water. I'm just slowly attaching it on the horse. And slowly bend it to one side. And slowly adjust it on the horse. Now again, with another white cylinder, I'm just rolling it so that it's a little bit thinner, but I keep the end thick. Again, just cutting some stripes using my knife. It doesn't have to be perfect. Adding a little small piece of a toothpick, slowly inserting it for his tail. And there's our horse. Hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you.